Xmas is you.
This is the view from my window. Cute. Look at this, I got my own bag handler. Coffee carrier. I have one full bag of clothes that I took out of my closet, and I think I'll have another one. I do not understand. So stressful. I actually got called into work right now. So today I don't actually have to work. I've been called in, but it's just for a deadhead on the first day to the hotel, and then tomorrow morning I have to work. So I technically don't even have to wear my uniform, but I think I'm going to because I don't like it to get wrinkled in my bag. So really quickly, all I need to do is just double check that I have everything I need. So I have my heels. This looks all good. I shouldn't have to worry about anything. So I quickly made vegetarian meatballs. It's very hot. And pizza rolls, because I just like to bring something with me so I have something to eat. Okay, so all I have to do is add my lunchbox at this point. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a really quick shower, get ready, and head out, and I will see you in Dallas.
For the day that I can give it a rest. Woo! Let me catch my breath, get more than I get, so you know I'm blessed. When I turn in my work, I'll give it my best. Waiting for the day I can give it a rest. And on that day, I'll hear well done. You ran your race, your job is done. You played your part, you worked.
Hey guys, it is currently the 19th, I think. We are currently leaving Fort Lauderdale Beach area where the hotel was and headed to where Rose lives. I think we're just gonna get some work done at his house. We're gonna stop, get some coffee, and hopefully have a really good day. Hopefully stay here overnight.
Right.
So what I'm gonna do
is pray that we stay.
is hope that I stay, which I really think I will. So we just left the Dollar Tree. We didn't really vlog it because we were trying to be really quick, and also like how many Dollar Tree vlogs can you have? I mean, a million.
Yeah.
Currently headed to Dunkin' because you can have a trillion Dunkin' vlogs, so we're headed there.
I'm glad there's a math to it.
And it goes in terms of like infinite numbers only.
Billion, trillion, zillion. Thank you. Coconut. I just can't live in a world where there's no sugar in something coconut related. Potato chips.
Potato chip Reese's, so we're gonna split it.
There's no
Make
actual
sure you
potato chip in there. How does it taste?
The texture isn't good. It's just like, it's like glasses in your Reese's cup.
Have a nice one. She's so sweet.
That's so good. We did a mukbang in the drive-thru. Hello. Welcome to my Atlanta hotel room. I think I was supposed to go to Dallas. Got to the airport, got on the airplane, and then I had to get off and wait for another flight to Atlanta. So I didn't really work today. I still ended up just kind of being relocated to Atlanta so that I can work tomorrow. But it didn't mean that I spent a lot more time in the airport doing kind of nothing than I expected. And then I have no reason to be tired, but I am so tired right now. I have my computer out and I'm gonna try to get some work done. But we'll see, because I feel so tired and I just want to wake up early and do it. But I know myself.
Take a first step. My love is gifted for you to help you through the river. I know you went through a lot, but why not take a second shot? Hey, gingerbread man, where's your Christmas spirit? Tell me, where's your Christmas spirit? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, the red-nosed reindeer was found. There'll be a miracle this time, and you will not fall into the fox's mouth. So baby, run, run, run from everyone who's trying to take a bite of you. I bet if you believe this Christmas is gonna be too good to be true. Yeah. Look in the mirror, we look like Santa's helpers, wearing ugly sweaters. Have a seat by the fire, eating candy canes while my heart is beating. Yeah. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, the red-nosed reindeer was found. There'll be a miracle this time, and you will not fall into the fox's mouth.
So I ended up getting off of my last flight because I wasn't working the flight anyways. They let me go and not have to fly back. So I'm able to stay here a couple of days. And so me and Rose are headed out right now because it's dark out and we haven't done anything all day. Actually, we've done a lot, but we haven't left the house. Ooh, it's sparkly. I don't even have to push. It's been a while. We're back skating again. Hopefully Rose doesn't fall.
And hopefully I know how to balance myself. I really feel dizzy right now.
My shoe has come off in the same place twice. I don't understand.
I swear, the moment I...
So I spilled coffee everywhere when I was trying to play with the settings of my phone or my camera. So I'm looking now, I feel like the lens is really dirty on this camera, but don't really have a solution at the moment.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Mission is to not eat the pizza until we get home, because Rose will kill me if I open it and try to eat it now, especially with my dipping sauce.
Oh,
but
yeah.
It's so hard. We just opened our pizza and found this. Who ate this pizza? Who did this?
I think you're the culprit. I'm not blaming the wonderful people that... Yeah, That sounds like somebody. That sounds like how the person ate it.
Wait. I just ate this piece of pizza.
Mm-hmm.
When you forget silverware and also you got stir sticks. That's what we're gonna do. But it still needs like 5 minutes of rest.
You think you the shit, think you winning now. Set it down, said you're pulling up in a minute. Wow, I don't see shit. You shadow of a man with the passion of a bitch. Steady grinding for the paper, but you're lacking in the grit. 80 reasons you should dip. Maybe I'ma write a list. Take these diamonds on my wrist, they be shining like the whip. Yeah, they be shining like the whip.
Lacking in substance, you average your best. It's in your nature, actually.
So, we just ate our pizza. Questionable at best, but we knew that going into it. And now, we are going to make a smoothie. And we're gonna add some of this in it because Rose bought it and I feel like it.
Excuse me, ma'am, with the ham. We cut that out. So.
You don't like that? Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is add water to this one.
That's too much water, you don't think? That was
Because we're only doing...
That's enough. That's enough. Wow. Definitely livable.
We're still alive.
Barely.
We just were looking up Rose's suit on Etsy. We're gonna order it. So we were about to do the measurements so we can order the suit.
You tried to body shape me in 2021. I didn't feel confident. Cause I'm feeling a little chub or wub. But tomorrow, I'll wake up with springs.
Oh, I thought I was gonna be able to get you to do the measurements if I said we were doing the measurements.
Oh no, I'm not doing the measurements.
The lights for a vibe.
It equals seizure.
It's a lot. It's a lot.
Yeah, and this is it chilling. Just wait till it switches over to the next phase of like the flickers.
Yeah, I don't think we can handle it. We're gonna probably have to get rid of this.
But you know, movie night, hanging out inside, mimosas.
There's no mimosas.
Oh,
All
no.
right. Goodbye.
No
Good
mimosas?
night.
What type of movie
Thanks
night
for
is this?
watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all the things. Bye.